We got another caterpillar here at the farm. So you can imagine we get a lot of caterpillars here. They love the brassica. I'm holding a piece of kale right now, and what you're looking at is a cross-striped cabbage worm. Pretty common, but they only get to be 3/4 of an inch, so they're also very easy to miss. It's beautiful. Yes, and these are very destructive for farmers, unfortunately, but I am not gonna kill it just because I don't want to. Pretty cool. Here's two more bigger ones too. Can really get a good look at the head of this one. Yep.